Hi everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today we're going to make Nicole's half square with these two colors of yarns, 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and scissors. Let's get started. To begin with your first color, make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain to create a circle. Take this short tail line with you to hide and make 4 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1 and make 4 more double crochets into the same ring. 1, 2, 3, and 4. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 1. Row 2, take your second color, turn your project, and insert your hook between the first and second double crochet. Grab your second color, pull it through, and chain 1 to secure. And make 4 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1. Now go to the space between the two group of 4 double crochets. Make 3 double crochets into the space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and make 4 double crochets in the space between the 3rd and 4th double crochet right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the end of row 2. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Row 3, bring your first color, turn your project, insert your hook into the space between the first and second double crochet, grab your yarn and pull it through and chain 1 to secure, and then make 4 double crochets into the same space. One, 2, 3, and 4. chain 2, 1 and 2, make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the next chain space. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we reach the chain space between the two group of 3 double crochets. Make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 2 and make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the next chain space. Chain 2 and make 4 double crochets into the space between the 3rd and 4th double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1 and cut the yarn, and this is how it looks like at the end of row 3. Row 4, turn your project and insert your hook into the space between the 1st and 2nd double crochet. Grab your 2nd color, pull it through and chain 1 to secure. And make 4 double crochets into the same space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now in our V shape, right here, make 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain space between the two group of 3 double crochets, make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Into the next V shape, make 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet. Now in the space between the 3rd and 4th double crochet, make 4 double crochets. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 4, and you can continue this for as many rows as you want. I hit all the tails at the back of my project back and forth, and this is the final result. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, write your comments down below and support me. See you next tutorials. Bye!